And now let's listen to the music that is taking the country by storm. All the way from South Carolina, it's the rage of the day, the flappers phenomenon, the cat's pajamas. Here are the Beehives, flapping to the tune of classic Charleston and Sister Kate.
Shimmy like my sister Kate, shake it like a bowl of jelly on a plate. My mama wanted to know last night how Sister Kate could do it oh so nice. Now all the boys in the neighborhood, the Katie could shimmy and it's mighty good. Well, I may be late, but I'll be up to date when I can shimmy like my sister Kate. Oh yeah, shake it like my sister Kate. Shimmy like my sister Kate, never stay home, stay out too late. I get myself about as high as a kite. You know I do it for you every night. Now all the boys in the neighborhood, the Katie could shimmy and it's mighty good. Well, maybe late, but I'll be up to date when I can shimmy like my sister Kate. Oh yeah, shake it like my sister Kate. Shimmy like my sister Kate, shake it like a bowl of jelly on a plate. My mama wanted to know last night how Sister Kate could do it oh so nice. Now all the boys in the neighborhood, the Katie could shimmy and it's mighty good. Well, it may be late, but I'll be up to date when I can shimmy like my sister Kate. Oh yeah, shake it like my sister Kate, that's right. Shimmy